Pipeline Part 3. Welcome back to Stranger Things again. Yeah, there's too much to film here. I don't really want to give you guys the full tour. So I just ran into that guy that was coming down, and he said that this flooded last night. So the rain made this the way it is. So I was just over here. Just before I queued out that video, I was right there by that doorway. And so, yeah, I made my way without getting wet as far as there. And then I took my socks and shoes off and went over the river. So, there's no easy way around it. Yeah, there's a bunch of tags down here. Some decent stuff. Probably not this. I lost a white adult crayon, and my strap just broke after I got over the river. So yeah, here's my stuff. Let's get this. Drink some lemonade. Oh yeah, look at this view. Look at that view. Man, I tried washing my socks over here, I remember, and it was like they were still crunchy. I don't know. I have to read up on how hobos used to clean their socks, I guess. Yeah, there's evidence of people having a fire here. There was some girls that came down, they turned around. Yeah, I don't see too many other tags. What is this? Oh, send. And then, oh, look at that. That's pretty sick. I was seeing what was over here. Is there any good hand styles? No. Nope. Just got scared by a snake. Goose sniffer. So, alright. Yeah, let's make our way down. There's a guy that came down here talking about fishing. And he said, yeah, it got flooded. So, let's see what we got here. Wow, look at that. It's fucking beautiful. Oh, I don't even know what it is, but I love it. I love it. So luckily it's not going to rain again. Find somewhere to set up over here. Yep. I'm getting towards the end. Oh, look at the anime eyes. It's very rooty. Very rooty. We got tons of roots. Quite a trip hazard. And yeah, and this is today and tomorrow are apparently the only nice days, and then it's gonna rain for 3 days or something. And then that's gonna be it. So oh man, I don't know how much further you can actually go, and I don't know how many home bums are over there. Get down to the end. Maybe I'll camp at the end, who knows. Cobwebs. Oh yeah, look at this. There's Virginia Bridge. Oh, look at that beachfront property. I love it. I love it. Oh. You can see there's remnants of old bridge. Oh, look at that. Ugh. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think we're getting down to the bare minnow. Not much after that. Put the stuff down. Ooh, 99-cent crew. Oh yeah, that's funny. Oh, because Boston's got 63 cents, and then South Shore is 38 cents. Oh, fucking jam pack. All right. So this is I was trying to explain the damage. After a few years of having this Osprey backpack, this here came off of there, so I'm gonna have to sew it. The strap came off of it. It already happened here. As soon as I took Amtrak in Providence, it just whoop, came right undone. I had the dental floss sew it. This is just barely hanging on, so traveled too hard for the backpack. Okay, so here we go. Oh, there's geese. They're not gonna be that chill with me. I don't know. And I don't know home bombs or what comes down here. Yeah, that guy, he freaking came down here. This Lance guy is like just, he's just up all over here. RZ. Yeah, you can see remnants of the old bridge right over there. So we'll go take a look. Is there any more? Oh, there is more beach. Yeah, maybe I'll pull up a spot over here or something. I don't want to leave my stuff unattended. Yeah. Come down here. Go camp somewhere up there. Something. Yeah, let's go just around the corner here. We got underneath the bridge. Bleep. Solemn. Stain. Oh yeah, there's a piece of brick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So maybe I will. Maybe I will. Yeah. Somebody's making a little barbecue here. Yeah, there's the old remnants of the bridge. As far as there's not more graffiti on it. You see it right there, there, goes on. And you got this bridge. There's a trestle. Yeah. Let's get back over to stuff. So, yeah, fuck. I might camp over here or something. I might. I don't know. Depends on how rowdy these locals are. I might not absolutely be adored with the idea of me just being in the way, camping. Ugh. Yep. Oh. Man, I would hate to be a drunk and coming down this. Whew. This would be tough. Yeah, here's the stuff. Okay. Hey, Mr. Goose. What are you guys doing? You guys chilling? Yeah? You guys meet other travelers that came through here? Want to smoke some weed? Okay. Alright, well, with that, bum spray out.